it's very important not to over-restore. Many restorations we see went beyond the point that it should have done. People restore the cars to look better, forgetting about authenticity and forgetting about that point that they selected to restore the car to. For example, when the car left the assembly line. One example here, we can talk about the Volvo. Paint, it needs to have the orange peel. So the cars that are extremely buffed, polished, they look like a mirror. They look very nice, but that's not authentic. Finishes are very important. Or even the chrome work should reflect what a Volvo was in 1963. A Volvo did not have the same level of chrome as a Rolls-Royce or a Mercedes. We are not saying that you should apply bad chrome. On the contrary, it has to be a good one, but the correct sheen, the correct amount of reflection, everything has to be respected. But the most common mistake is about the paint. Don't buff, don't wet sand, don't polish your car to look perfect. If you are looking for authenticity, you should consider the correct finish.